Hello everyone, welcome to the world of pharmacognosy. Today we start new chapter that is Introduction to Primary and Secondary Metabolites from Unit 4 of 4th semester syllabus of pharmacognosy. We are going to cover four important points such as what is metabolites, what is primary and secondary metabolites, what is difference between primary and secondary metabolites, and what are the examples of that primary and secondary metabolites. So let's start with first point. What is metabolite? Simply, metabolites are the compounds which are synthesized after metabolism. It is produced from different metabolic pathways such as shikimic acid pathway, glycolysis, etc. There are two types of metabolites, that is primary metabolite and secondary metabolites. So, next point is what is primary and secondary metabolites? Primary metabolites are compounds that are directly involved in growth, development, and reproduction of a plant. The word primary meaning first, it is derived from the word prime, which means very important, means compounds which are firstly synthesized. These are called as primary metabolites. Then, what is secondary metabolites? Secondary metabolites are the compounds produced from primary metabolites which are not directly involved in growth, development, and reproduction of plants. It can be also defined as secondary metabolites are produced in other metabolic pathways that, although important and are not essential to the vital functioning of the plants. Then what is difference between primary and secondary metabolites? Primary metabolites are widely distributed in nature, while secondary metabolites are limited in distribution and restricted to particular taxonomic group. Here, for example, caffeine. Caffeine belongs to alkaloid category and caffeine is a secondary metabolite. So, caffeine is not widely distributed and its production is limited and it belongs to particular taxonomic group. Primary metabolites present practically in all organisms. The secondary metabolites are biosynthetically derived from primary metabolites, means these are synthesized or these are derived from primary metabolites, means after metabolism of primary metabolites the secondary metabolites are formed. Primary metabolites are non-expensive for production as these are already produced inside the cell. For example, starch from potato, while secondary metabolites generally expensive for production, means in terms of cellular economy it is expensive for isolation and production. Here, next point is it is directly involved in growth, development, and reproduction of plants. Means primary metabolites are responsible for proper growth, development of that plants, means it play very important role in performing vital or physiological functions of the plant, while secondary metabolites are not directly involved in growth, development, reproduction of plants, but it involved in chemical adaptation to environmental stress, means whichever the chemicals present in the form of secondary metabolites will protect that plant from environmental stress. Primary metabolites doesn't have marked physiological actions as they are involved in growth and development, while secondary metabolites have marked therapeutic and pharmacological action. Here, plant shows therapeutic and pharmacological actions. For example, quinine, which is derived from the plant cinchona, quinine show antimalarial action, means the cinchona plant have marked therapeutic and pharmacological action against the malaria. Primary metabolites are present in large quantity in plants, while secondary metabolites are present in small quantities. Primary metabolites does not involve a defensive mechanism, while it plays a role in performing different vital functions of the plants. Means they play only important role in performing different vital fundamental functions of the plant, but the secondary metabolites can serves as defensive or protective mechanism against the attack of different insects, weeds, microbial attack, and highly herbivorous animals. Means secondary metabolites containing plant produces toxins in the form of secondary metabolites, so that plant protects the plant against the attack of insect, weeds, or microbial attack, and it also protects from highly herbivorous animals. The examples of primary metabolites are carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, fatty acids, nucleic acids. The examples of secondary metabolites are alkaloids, glycosides, flavonoids, tannins, resins, terpenoids, phenolic compounds, steroids, isoprenoids, and amino acids. This this is all about primary and secondary metabolites. Thank you for watching.